I passed out last night at like 10:30 and I slept for like 12 or 13 hours, which is, I was not wanting to do that. I actually woke up at 6. I was like, oh sweet, I'm like, I love this is so awesome. Like I'm gonna sleep for like 1 more hour and then I'm gonna get up. And then I woke up at 10. I was like, gosh dang it. My blinker went out on my car and I looked up on YouTube how to fix it, or well, like how to change out the light. Excuse me. I'm gonna try and change it, because why not? Make me feel good if I succeed. I found this and I think it's the right one. It's gotta be. I really need a wrench. Oh my gosh. My friend gave me something that will work, hopefully. Sweet. Just watch me break the whole thing. What the crap? Oh. Ooh, I think I got it. I'm one of the stupidest people ever. I just did the wrong I just did the wrong side. I can't believe I did that. I did the wrong side. Well. I did it. I feel so freaking good right now, even though I did it wrong the first time. I forgot which one was actually out, but I feel good because I did it. I don't have my mic on. We just took pictures. Yep. Those are my favorite pictures, like the forehead ones.